Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmine if you're new here, and in today's video I'm basically just trying to set my intentions for the new week. I am trying to cultivate a more productive morning routine, and this is me trying to set all of that in perspective during this weekend and hopefully fulfilling like my 5 a.m. goals. So let's get started. Hey guys, I know you're probably wondering where I've been MIA. I've been dealing with school stuff. I have 3 more weeks left, like the project period, which is like 3 weeks, so I'm super excited for that. But recently I asked ways I can make the most out of my mornings. I want to have like a more productive like morning routine. I want to be up by like 5 or 6 every single day and just make the most out of that, because I feel like time is running a lot. So I'm here setting my intentions. I'm here planning for this coming week. Hopefully you guys will get to come with me. It's currently 12 something p.m. like noon time, so it's kind of like 12 p.m. 12 a.m. 12 p.m. Having my lunch, which is the pad thai noodles from Urban Eatery. I was there last night. I read it's like one of my favorite meals from them. My bottle of water and my computer is right here. I want to do like upload a YouTube video right now actually, and then my notebook, which I'm gonna write like my to-do list. I really want to wake up super early from now on and just make the most out of my mornings, because even when I do, I lose a lot of time like on my phone. I just be like, okay, let me just stay in bed until I have to get up, and I'm just on my phone browsing and all that stuff, which needs to stop. I'm gonna work on the YouTube video, and then I am going to, it's practical, just edited. It's the week 3 of the Ramadan. I didn't do a week 4 because I had like my exams and I didn't want to be distracted. And then yeah, so hopefully we'll be back to vlogging. I also want to film a video. I want to film like a bunch of videos and like create content, a bunch of content, so that the next 3 weeks I don't know if I'll be making content that much. So I just want to have content I can roll out as much as I possibly can. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Let me just add a b-roll of me reading and studying, and then we'll see where we go from here. So I just finished my lunch, watched the video, put up the video. The video is live, by the way, so I'm gonna link it somewhere here. I'm writing my to-do list for this weekend. So this week I need to research a project for my project week, for my project period. It's like a 3-week period, and I need to find a project. Basically we're all pitching, and then they get to choose which ones that are interesting and unique that everyone gets to do, like the groups get to do, but everyone has to pitch. So I need to come up with a good idea. So I need to do the research for the project. I also need to film, like I said, I want to film like a lot of content so that I can just have them rolling out. So I want to do like a couple of videos. I think probably like 1 YouTube video, 2 maybe, and then IGTV videos. I haven't done IGTV videos in a while, but we're gonna do that in a while. Film IG YouTube content. I also want to like work on my portfolio. I'm not sure if you guys know this, but with programming, like building apps and everything, you need to have like a portfolio that at least you can show, that can complement your CV of like projects you've worked on before and all that stuff, blah blah blah. So I need to work on that as well. And then tomorrow I want to have a pamper day. Basically I want my days to start as early as 10 a.m. 10, whoa, that's too late for school. I need to be in school by like 8:30, and then I want to be up at like 5, inshallah. That's like my plan. Hopefully that works well. I think I'm just gonna finish up a bit right now, and then we're gonna go straight to filming. I even need to charge like my battery and whatever, so I'm gonna just go let this charge, and then a couple of videos, and then we'll see what goes on from there. So I'll see you guys later. So it's a bit later in the day. Sorry, I have like a podcast playing in the background. Let me turn that off actually. Okay, so I was playing a podcast in the background. It's called Adulting. Basically the episode I'm listening to is How to Live Consciously. It just began, so I have no idea what they're talking about. Update, it's currently about 4 something p.m. I haven't done anything the whole day. I've just been in bed. I put up a video. I did a couple of like the school related stuff, and then I just sat there and just watched a couple of like YouTube videos. Only because I don't know if you guys can tell from my voice, but I have a cold. I'm very sick, so I wasn't motivated to do anything, which I know sucks because this video is about motivating myself to get the most out of my day, but I took today as a resting day. I feel so sick, I have a cold, but I want to go get some Planet yogurt actually, and I'm just doing a little bit of makeup just to make myself feel better and good. I've been putting these cubes I got to use, by the way. I mentioned this in a couple of vlogs ago. I got these like acrylic cubes from Miniso, and like I said, I use one of them to store like my everyday makeup, which has simplified everything for me. So up here I have like my concealers, stick foundation that I gravitate towards to if I want to wear foundation, my Colourpop highlight, a couple of like lip pencils, a brow pencil, my brow spool is usually in here as well, lip gloss, just like lip products, concealers, base, highlight, and then in here I have my bronzer, my face powder from Maybelline. I really love the Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. I have it in the shade Caramel. It's a bit tanner, so I use this like around the rest of my face. I really like this powder. It sits so nicely on the face. Then I have my sleek blush. I talk about this all the time. And then my Fenty Beauty matchsticks in this shade Chili Mango. I love this stuff. Then on top, what sits on top of it is usually my setting powder, which doesn't go inside because there's no space left. So I just place this on top, and then my MAC strobe cream. This one, I use the strobe cream on lighter days, and then I use the Cover FX one on heavier days, like when I'm wearing like heavier makeup. So I have this, it's in the shade Pink Light in the travel size. Lasted me well over a year. I love this stuff. Can you guys like suggest shows? The most recent show I watched on Netflix was When They See Us, and let me tell you, I was bawling my eyes out. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna insert that video here, but I was crying. I was legit crying. That wasn't the first time I was hearing about the Central Park 5 guys. I heard about their story. I had watched like previous documentaries. I had watched their confession tapes, their actual confession tapes. But the way this like limited series was shot, it just pulled on all my heartstrings. It was so well made. The actors did such a good job portraying those boys at that age. I don't know, it was so sad, especially Jerome, like the actor who plays Corey Wise. He did a phenomenal job. I was in awe the whole time. I was like, fam, how can you get this much emotion out of me, you know? And I'm not the type of person, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the type of person to cry, let alone in movies. Like in real life, I barely cry. So I don't know, that one was so good. It was so good. It's crazy how it actually happened like in real life. Plus the fact that Donald Trump bought ads worth $85,000 just to get these boys like the death sentence of a crime they didn't commit. Insane to me, you know. It's very crazy. They got like exonerated, but obviously after a very long time, Corey being the longest to serve, they really went through it, fam. I'm just thinking about it, I'm like, damn. It was a good show. So I'm asking, do you guys have any other shows like that I can watch? Maybe like in my downtime when I'm trying to find something to do, because I don't, like I mentioned, I don't think I'll be in a state to produce content for the next 3 weeks. So at least I want to give myself this time to like focus on my school stuff. And then I know I said I would do like Eid inspiration videos, but I'm telling you, Eid caught me at a really bad time. I didn't even get to celebrate it, to be honest, because I was in school. I had like my exam, like the mock interviews on that same day, so I didn't even get to celebrate. My skin, I think that's why I don't need a lot of products. Like I only have like a few bumps here and like 3 here, and after that like everything else is like clear. Alhamdulillah. Okay, I took the shoes away, but I had already there's my tripod. Okay, that's the makeup I was filming with. That is the jewelry I wanted to use. But at like around 5 p.m. I wanted to film like a styling video because I got motivated, but my motivation was a bit too late. It started getting dark like midway, so I just stopped and I was like, I actually only just filmed like one outfit, and then I just said stop before I get way in too deep and I'm not satisfied with the lighting. So we shall try this again tomorrow. I'm not gonna get rid of this so that once I see it I know, because setting it up is I'm gonna feel lazy setting it up and everything. But I just have like a few, I'm trying to style like a cold weather type of video or something, I don't know. Yeah, so that's why I have like a bunch of sweaters, blazers and everything, jackets. And then I have my bags there, and then I had laid out my shoes down here, but I had to put them back in the closet. But I want to leave the house now. It's currently very cold, I'm feeling sick, so I'm gonna go look for like hot dawa or something. I'm gonna go to Art Cafe, I'm gonna take my laptop, work from there, and then come back home. guys, it's Sunday and it's kind of like 6 p.m. I have been in bed all day, to be honest. I've been so sick today, like the door. My delivery is here. I had so many plans for today, but I got so sick. I mentioned yesterday how sick I was. I was getting a cold and it got so much worse today. So I've just been in bed on Netflix. I've actually been asleep most of the time, to be honest. And I went to sleep pretty late last night. I went to sleep at like 4 or something, so I couldn't sleep. I just bought myself some takeout, actually. I'll show you guys what I got, but I'm making some orange juice. And then I want to do a hair mask. I want to take a shower and just prepare for the new coming week, inshallah. I had so much content planned for this weekend, but I got so sidetracked. I don't know what's wrong with me. Actually, I do know what's wrong with me. I'm sick and I'm one lazy ass person. But yeah, let me show you guys what I got from KFC. Put my receipt down. My favorite thing out of them, sweet chili twister, the non-spicy strips. I love those. And then just like a regular size fries. And then I'm here, I just had like a pack of Oreos, and then I'm here making orange juice. This machine is so cool. It basically does the work for you. You don't have to like struggle. I like put them in the blender because sometimes like these things can be like bitter. Just like an orange juicer thingy. Pretty cool. So it's currently like 9 p.m. I set out like my outfit for tomorrow that I'm wearing. My boots. These boots come in handy when it's hella cold. Anyway, I just took a shower and I wanted to show you guys the mayo that I just used. The hair mask that I just used. This is the Aura's Hair Restore Hair Mayonnaise. It's like such a huge tub. Anyway, it's a protein mask and like it helps with like brittle hair. Conditioning treatment for damaged and weak hair. My hair is hella damaged because of like the constant bleaching. But I'm using hair mayonnaise. Now, fun fact about protein hair treatments, they are a bit too drying, so I would suggest you follow up with like a moisturizing mask after it, like immediately after. Just put like a moisturizing one. This is what I have on my hair. I just washed my face with this. I've talked about this soap before, I think in a vlog. It's just like a bar soap from Healthy You, natural soap, thyme and bergamot. And then I have my face mask on, the L'Oreal. I'm giving myself a nice pamper so that I'm well rested overnight, so that I'm up early. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm trying hard to give myself like the best relaxed day so that I can have the most productive week. So it is a little bit later. I'm kind of running back on schedule. It's currently midnight, like 1 something, and I wanted to sleep earlier, but I couldn't because I've been in bed all day. But just like prepared myself so that I don't take time in the morning. So I have my like clothes ready. I've packed my bag, like what I need, like a sachet of coffee that I take to school, and have like in the morning my laptop, like all my cords. I'm gonna go to sleep now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. I will see you guys tomorrow, but in my next video. Bye guys.